Hello everyone, welcome back. In this episode here, I finally got my excuse me right here, back up. I finally got my Kroger card here. So um, hopefully there is $200 there. I'll find out soon enough. And basically, this is another site, and it gives you a lot more of other things that you can buy. Oh, excuse me. Hold on, I'll be right back. Alright, sorry about that. Took care of that situation here. So, this is another site that I found, and one of the issues I had with the other site, that Jive site, let me see if I could get it up here, get it going for you guys here. Okay, here we go. So, anyways, I'll just let that load. So in this site here, you get to actually, and they do tell you the rate, which is very close to what is that, Bitsy or Bitstamp. Let me see, what's this, Bitstamp rate, Bitsy rate, very close. So if you look at that, that's the Bitstamp rate, and that's the rate that they're going on, very close. Okay, and so what this company does is these are physical cards that you can get, actual real physical cards. That's why they sent me a physical card. Trying to get some grocery cards, mostly either Walmart, Kroger's, Whole Foods, and any place that gives me food. I'm going for it. So I scroll down. It has pretty much most of what other places have, and but they do charge you a little bit more on the fees, and so it is a little bit more, and plus you have to wait. You kind of have to wait a little bit, but they got, see, I'm a Costco member, and this is a Costco cash card. Even though they charge like 6%, does it really matter? Because it's profited Bitcoins, so would it matter? Probably not that much, but the good point is it'll allow you to buy as many cards as you need to do whatever you need to do, all the way, I guess forever. Unlike this company here, I can only buy so many Whole Foods, but that's about it. I can't get anything else. So with this, I could buy the physical card, and they got a lot of things here just like that, but these are going to be all physical. And then there's a Kroger card right there, and I was like, wow, all right, that's great. What else do they have? Jamba Juice, J.C. Penney. I'm mostly looking for places where I can eat for food. Let me see. Let me see here. Not much of any other grocery, but still, it's another alternative to what's kind of out there right now. So, unfortunately, that's it. That's it. But they got Kroger's, and that's kind of what I've been looking for, a food card. So this is another place where I might find, and ironically, they're out of Washington, because they sent me an email. It comes with it comes certified. So the gift card comes certified through a certified mail, and here it is, and it's loaded. This is all from Bitcoin. So if you've seen my previous episodes, you'll know that you have become a user of Bitcoin, and you don't have to worry about being regulated or following license, or people, the banks kind of watching over you and everything. So ideally, but then again, you can also consider this as an investment, and you may sell this if you wanted to, or trade it, or do something else. I mean, this is just a whole nother way of buying and selling, or trading, or exchanging. That's all it is. So, anyways, so if there's you run into a limit on some of these sites here, like this one, it only allowed me to let me see, which one did I want? I wanted the Whole Foods one, but they only allow me a limit of I think 20 not 25 25 bucks. And it started off at 200 or 100, then 50, then 25, and I don't know what happens after that. There it is. There's Whole Food. See, now it starts off at $25. That's all it does now, which kind of sucks. So I guess I'm not going to go to Whole Foods anymore. You know, you can't really buy a lot of food for 25 bucks. I don't even know why they even offered it, but for some reason it's showing up as 25. So let me see this one. See, this one's, I put 50, and it's still, you know, working for me over there. Yeah, see, I reload 50, but when it comes to Whole Foods, I mean, it's really just $25. That's not a lot. You know, it used to be 100, and I use 50, and anyways, I need more than 25 bucks Whole Food, okay? So I don't know what you're gonna do, but so there goes that one. So I'm not gonna be using that, but I'll probably be using more of this. And ironically, they are out of Washington, and remember, Washington has deemed Bitcoin as money. So whether it's legal tender or not, I don't know, but they do consider it as money. They declared it as money. And so here I am purchasing another thing, which is money, which is on a card. Any stored value, open or closed loop. This, I would assume, is I don't know if it's open or if it's closed. I think this would be a closed loop in the fact that it's only goes to a particular retailer, maybe. I'm not sure. Close an open loop. Open loop, I'm assuming, would allow me to go anywhere with this card and redeem it. So this is basically money as well, and it's if you think about it. So they're out of Washington, so this is all completely legitimate with these guys. They're totally within the bounds of a legal business here. So here you go. You may want to try this out. I'm probably going to buy a lot more of these Kroger cards. And like I said, you just buy them and then they send them to you. It is a little bit more. They charge a little bit more, but if you now remember the definition of mining, or the definition of mining also includes earning and purchasing your bitcoins and a user would also is an investor. But a user can also be anyone who uses the Bitcoin as a payment service. But you're also, by doing that, you're also an investor. So, you know, you got certain by being considered yourself as an investor, you're able to sell your Bitcoins for money, for cash, to be used at a later time. That's all it is. So you know, you don't have to fear the banks anymore, because you're not a money transmitter, and you're well within all I guess regulation as far as the Treasury Department is concerned. So anyways, this is wonderful for me. I get to feed my family and basically mining my Bitcoins, quote unquote mining, okay, which includes earning or purchasing your Bitcoins. I'm able to use them as a user or an investor to get a gift card like this, and basically I'm perfectly within the bounds of the current legal system. So anyways, that concludes this episode here. I'm not going to do any charts. I just want to share that with you with some of the other things that I'm doing, and hopefully people who are out there who are trading, both in the exchange and in real life, you're taking advantage of what Bitcoin is and how it works, and you're able to feed your families somehow. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to make a comment or ask a question, video response, like, dislike. Until next time, stay tuned for the next episode. Bye.